we made a promise to them that we carry on with the Bavarian tour, and we're delighted as well because we're also building a new repertoire with Ziggy Mulbar to create a Irish concept, second one. So I said I'd try to write a song for me dad, and I'm not a great poet, but I managed to get a few words down on paper anyway. And it's not a sad song, it's a song about good times, and it's a song about a man who had many friends, and he touched a lot of people because he just was that way. He was a very generous person, and it's great to see all the youngsters growing up now here, and they have a great fond memory of Timmy. So we write the song, and we're going to do what's called a polka at the end from the southwest of Ireland, a tune called "The Breeches Full of Stitches," and it's one of the most common tunes in Ireland. Everyone can play it. And I deliberately put it at the end so everyone could have a crack at playing it. So if you feel like having a dance, the polka is very easy. And we're going to dedicate this song to all the people out there who have someone they've lost over time that they love. So just a little positive thought for good times with good people. So here we go. I was thinking today about long ago, about all the great old times of yore. One that mighty man, I remember well Milltown, Malbay, and the walks at night out to Spanish Point, when the sweet tunes were over. Mike O'Russell and Packy too, telling us their stories and playing their tunes, sleeping in the car on Doolin Pier. Fishermen, crabs, crows and hawks, basking sharks on the cliffs of Moher, and a newborn baby girl in her mother's arms. You mighty man, it was in that same town of Milltown, Malbay, when Oily Buckley pulled you off your seat and swept you round the floor. From that day on, you never looked back and you danced your way all around the world, and you left your mark. Cork to Brittany, Kilcrohan, Kenmare, Bantry and Dingle too. Charlottesville to New Orleans, Bavaria, Russia and Egypt too, and then back home to your mountain. You mighty man, and your love was in the polkas and slides, the beauty, power and simplicity of the local styles. And strict you were about how they were danced, and strict also about the fun one was supposed to have. Dan O'Connell from Knocknagree was your guide, your master and a good friend too. As you watched him dance, his feet hardly touched the ground. Polka in and a polka out, as young and old spin around the house, and Johnny O'Leary made his accordion roll. Now it's time to say goodbye. The day we were all dreading has come along, but we'll stand proud. The people have come from all around to pay their respects and to say out loud how much they all were touched by you. But life goes on, that's the way it goes. You wouldn't want it any other way. We play your tunes and we sing your songs, and that's our way to carry you along as our journey goes on to the next generation. And Sean. To the next generation. And so heel to the heel and a tip to the toe. That's the way the polkas go. Heel to the heel and a tip to the toe. That's the way the polkas go. Heel to the heel and a tip to the toe. That's the way the polkas go. Heel to the heel and a tip to the toe. That's the way the polkas go. Up, up.
Tony McCarthy.